Kung Fu breaking brake, and then Glock Generation 4 Glock 30 45ACP breaking brake, and we're gonna see who wins at the end. Okay, this is a hand braking brake, and then now we're gonna set one of the brakes down at the target site, and we're gonna shoot it and see who wins. This is my buddy Josh here. He's gonna be firing the Glock 30 Generation 4 down to about 15 yards there to that brake. So after he fire all that shot, and we're gonna see who's gonna win today. This is Kung Fu versus Glock 30 Generation 4. Here we go. Shooters on target. Okay, look like Josh did it on the second shot now. So let's go over there and see what the 45 ACP do to the brake. Okay, actually he only chipped it away a little bit, so we're gonna have him fire this again.
All right.
Yeah, only get it halfway.
Did he hit high or low?
Yeah.
Low.
Yeah, just a little bit. So. Okay, now we're gonna back on the scene again. All right, lock and low. All right, look like Josh nailed one.
Got it there.
And we're shooting a 45 ACP 230 grain full metal jacket. And
Right
there
there.
you go, right there. And also break the brake in half. So let's take a look at the brake that I break, and let's compare it. Well, there you have it. The one underneath was shot by Glock 30, 45 ACP, 230 grain. This is by Kung Fu hand chopping power. So you guys let me know who wins at the end. And thanks for watching. And please subscribe to me if you like the video. Thank you.